Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. If you're new to my channel, I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you're not a subscriber already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. For today's topic, I would like to talk about the handbag of the season for Chanel. So if you go to Chanel website right now, they have the spring summer collection in the boutique, and you can check out the styles of handbags, ready to wear accessories, etc. on their website. As you know, Chanel has classic bags that they produce every season, but they also have seasonal bags that are different from season to season. Sometimes they come up with new styles of handbags, sometimes it's inspired by the older designs from the 90s or the early 2000s, and sometimes they just play around with different colors every season. Because it is produced in a limited quantity, every season customers would go to the boutique and hunt specific bags that they are, hunting for. Now, every season there's always a bag that is prominently more sought after than any other bags in the collection for that particular season. For example, in one season it was like this beautiful true red color in like the mini and all the other sizes, and it's just such a beautiful red that everyone wanted it. So if you fall in love with a bag from Chanel from a particular season, you really have to act fast because they go like hotcakes. They really sell out really fast. You have to act fast, you have to contact your SA, and even then sometimes other people are faster than you, especially if it's something that is seasonal but reflects a design of a classic style. Last season, for pre-spring summer, everyone went crazy for the caramel color that came in many different classic style, like in the mini, and I think also maybe in the double flap it came, and also the Chanel 19 and other styles. It was really sought after, and you do see them in the reseller markets at an increased price more than the retail price. Whenever you see that happening on Fashion File, if you see a new bag there at a price that is higher than the retail price, you know that it is a bag that is very sought after. So for this season, what seems to be the #1 bag is this mini bag that comes with the handle, the top handle. As you know, they come with mini bags every season in the classic colors of black, and also in seasonal colors depending on the color of the season. But this season it's kind of like the mini with a twist. So it's a mini bag, but it has not only the chain strap, it also has the top handle, so you have the ability to carry the bag two ways. You can have it crossbody and you can carry it like so, and it is so adorable. The only thing is that the chain strap, the longer chain strap, is not detachable. So even though you carry it as a top handle, you will still have the longer strap dangling. I heard from a source in the boutique that people have been calling like crazy for this particular bag, and they have to say no to a lot of people, of course, because the amount of bags that would come to one boutique is very limited every season. You cannot say yes to everyone, and yeah, that's what happens every season. This bag is pretty well priced, if I can say that, for Chanel, but comparing to the classic mini that they have every season, I'm talking about the mini rectangular, because this new bag is more similar to the mini rectangular. It's just slightly the measurement are slightly, I think, maybe taller as opposed to the mini rectangular if I'm looking at just the measurement on the website. But in terms of price, it is very competitive. The mini rectangular is at $4,000, and this bag is at $4,300. So with $300 extra, you get the top handle option. It comes in a few colors this season. They have the black, the white, the beige, which is kind of like a cream color, but they call it beige on the website, and they have the gold and maybe the silver or something silver looking. So there are a few selections. The black looks really cute. In my opinion, if you don't have a mini rectangular in your collection, this might be a good option for you. But for me personally, since I already have a mini rectangular, it's not something that I would be hunting for, you know, because for me personally, it'll be too redundant to have a mini rectangular and then another one with a top handle in like a very similar style. Another option for the season, they also have something which is in the mini with a top handle and the long strap. This reminds me of the Coco handle, and it comes in two colors. I think it's the white and the black. It is slightly bigger than the mini rectangular, and then the handle is really cute because it's not a chain. It has like CC throughout. I'll show you a picture of it next to me so you can see the detail. It is really cute detail. So if you don't have a Coco handle in your collection, this would be a good option. The price is pretty competitive to the Coco handle. This one, they are pricing it at $4,600. Now, another bag that I think is really cute from the spring summer collection is the Smallhobo bag. I am a sucker for pearls, so this one has a pearl strap and it's just so adorable. This is a crossbody bag, which maybe can work as a shoulder bag if you are on the taller side, and this one is priced at $4,300. So what do you think about the biggest bag of the season from Chanel? Would you buy it? And if you can't find it in the boutique because it's sold out, would you pay more and buy it from a reseller's website? In conclusion, we all know Chanel bag prices are through the roof, and especially for the classic lines. So in my opinion, do not sleep on their seasonal bag, because oftentimes you would find bags that are classic enough in style but lower in price or even competitive to their classic line. And you can also explore other seasonal bags that are more fun. If it's something that you fall in love with, it doesn't matter what people think if it's classic or not, as long as you love it. It's something that could be memorable because it only comes out that particular season, and then when it's sold out, it is sold out. No one can get it anymore other than, you know, getting it from a reseller market. So that's all my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.